Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to Perry for this week. Today is Monday, August 27th of 2018. It is our first full week of school happening this week. So I know all of you are very excited to start out the beginning of the week. I'm sure your teachers have a lot of fun things planned for you this week, especially since it is a full 5 days. So let's go through some of the morning announcements for today. The biggest thing, I said it a whole bunch of times last week, it's picture day. So smile for the camera, take a picture, frame it up, make sure it looks nice. So make sure you have your biggest smiles today for picture day. That'll be happening this morning and your teacher has schedules for that. We do also have a parent volunteer that will help out with that also today. We do have lunch choices for today, and those are corn dog, orange chicken with rice, which personally is my son's favorite thing in the whole wide world, Peppy pizza salad with bread, and then I don't know for sure if this is another choice or not. We're going to have to double check and make sure about this. The sun butter and jelly sandwich, mainly because there's 4 choices today. We normally only have 3 choices. So we're going to double check to make sure about that one. Along with roasted broccoli, fresh baby carrots, romaine lettuce, apples, oranges, or diced peaches, and chilled apple juice and milk. Today, I'm going to start doing birthdays. So I do have a birthday for today. So happy birthday to Olivia Rands. So that would be in Mrs. Hirsch's class. So congratulations and happy birthday to you. I got a long list of August birthdays to go through. So what we'll do is I'll start doing the August birthdays then probably tomorrow and start in the beginning of the month, and then we'll go and continue through the end of the month just so that everyone gets their birthday read over the announcements. For a pause today, we're going to work on academic achievement, and I do have some students here to tell you more about that.
Okay, boys and girls, I have 3 students here who are going to help out with our pause for today. They decided to do academic achievement for today, which is one we haven't done yet, so this is a great one to have for this time. So Bella, what can you do for academic achievement?
Don't forget your homework.
Good.
Do it right when you get home from school.
All right.
Ask for help when you don't understand.
Those are awesome. So great job, boys and girls. That are 3 great choices for academic achievement. I'm sure many of you can think of some other good ways that help you out with academics, but this is a good 3 choices for it.
All right, boys and girls, and at this time, we'll take a moment of silence. Thank you. At this time, let's please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So if you're not standing yet, please do so. Have your hand over your heart. I pledge allegiance
To the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, great job, boys and girls. That was a super job for a Pledge of Allegiance. Let's have an outstanding beginning of the week this week. Let's have a great Monday. We got a lot of fun things planned for this week. I'm sure your teachers do. So go out there, you make the choices, you make it great. So go out there and have a great day.